Supplements claiming to boost online metabolism and support the thyroid are trending. And Innerfresh Thyroid Support says it can help with energy, metabolism, and weight balance. But can it really compete with medications like Ozempic? Let's break it down. So Innerfresh is marketed as a natural thyroid supplement. Products in this category usually contain nutrients like iodine, selenium, zinc, L-tyrosine, and herbal adaptogens, which aim to support thyroid hormone production and metabolism. The idea is that better thyroid function could improve energy levels and metabolic balance. There is some logic behind these ingredients. Nutrients like iodine and selenium are essential for thyroid hormone production. Correcting nutrient deficiencies may help with fatigue, brain fog, and metabolism issues in some people. But these benefits mostly apply when someone actually has nutritional gaps. Here's the big catch. Supplements like this are not proven weight loss treatments and are not approved like medications. Many thyroid supplements lack clear clinical evidence showing they significantly change thyroid hormone levels. They also can't replicate how prescription drugs affect appetite and blood sugar. So is Innerfresh Thyroid Support better than Ozempic? No. At best, it may provide nutritional support for thyroid health, but it's nowhere near the medical effects of prescription GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic, which are specifically designed for blood sugar and weight management. The bottom line, Innerfresh may help support thyroid nutrition, but it's not a replacement for medical weight loss treatments and shouldn't be expected to deliver Ozempic-level results. Always talk to a healthcare professional before trying thyroid supplements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.